Okay, so what you're going to do for today's lab, you're going to go to the class homepage, you're going to click on the labs and homework links, and you're going to find this lab 91411. Click on that. Maybe there already. Okay, if you scroll down to the text instructions, it says save this file to your H drive. I'm using Firefox, and so I'm going to right click on this and then say save link as. If you were using Explorer, you would right click and just say save target as, but you don't want to click on it, you want to right click so you get this menu. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to save it, let's see. You should really save it on your H drive, but of course I'm not at Rowan right now making this video, so you can't see that. So I'm going to make a new folder, and also I'm using XP, and you guys are going to be using, no, sorry, I'm using Windows 7, you guys are going to be using XP, oh well. But I'm going to call this my Calico files for now, and I will save it there. So notice I didn't change the name of the file itself. The file is named dance.py. So if I go to my computer and I bring that monstrosity over here so you can see it, and I double click on U, which is where it was, and I look inside of, what did I call it? There it is, my Calico files. There's a file called dance.py. Don't double click on that, please don't double click on that, but make sure you have it somewhere. Alright, now what you're going to do is you are going to turn on your robot. So you can't see my robot, but you'll be able to hear it. Okay, and plug in your Bluetooth key. And if you left your Bluetooth key in the machine on Monday, Dr. Zhu has it, and don't do that again. And you want to check your Bluetooth control panel item to see if you still have your robot listed in there. If you do, then there's a good chance everything will go fine. If you don't, then look at the text instructions on how to reconnect that up if you don't remember. Then you're going to start Calico, so just double click on that Start Calico link, whatever yours says. Okay, here we go. Let me just make the font bigger so you can see it a bit more. Okay, very good. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to type the from Miro import star, and then you're going to do init parentheses and double quotes, com, and then whatever number you were on last time, or the new number you've just set up. So I'm com3. And hit enter. Now you won't see this, but on my screen I'm going to get a little pop-up that I have to click on, and I have to do the 1, 2, 3, 4 thing, and it takes a minute, and then you should hear some nice music. There we go, so my robot is connected. Okay, once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the File menu and say Open, and oh, come on. This file chooser is a little bit weird. You look along the left, and I want to go to my U drive, and then I want to find my Calico files, and there it is, dance.py. So I'm going to double click on dance.py, and this opens up. And notice this is the Calico editor as opposed to the Calico shell that we had before. And what you want to do is you want to look at this code for a minute, and it's just got a bunch of different instructions. Turn left, go backward, beep, and so on. Remember these comments, anything that starts with the pound sign is a comment. Now because I have all this inside this thing that says def dance, all of these will happen when I run the dance. So take a look at it and just see what I'm doing. But then click on the green check mark over here that says run script. And nothing happens yet. Now put your robot up on its box or put it on the floor or somewhere where nothing will happen. And since this thing says def dance, that means I'm teaching you how to do a dance. What you're going to do in the Calico window is you're going to type that same thing without the def. So just do a dance, and then you have the parentheses. And you're going to hit enter. and your robot will do the dance. Okay? So the whole point of this assignment is just after your robot's done the dance, you guys are going to mess with this code because my dance is pretty crummy, really. So you want to make a much better dance and make the music better too. Okay? So have fun, and remember, please help each other out. Okay? Dr. Zoo doesn't really know anything about these robots, though he knows a heck of a lot about programming, so he may be able to help you if something weird goes on. All right, good luck. Have fun. See you Monday. Bye.